everyone, it's Shannon here again from Conwy Libraries, and today I am in Shannon Library to tell you a story, and I'm going to be telling you the story of The Great Balloon Hullaballoo, and this is written by Peter Bentley and May Matsuoka, and we've had very special permission from Anderson Press to read you this story today. The Great Balloon Hullaballoo. Simon the squirrel was off to play ball, but there stood his mum with a list in the hall. "Please pop to the shop, Simon dearest. Here's money. Baloo roll, new pants for yourself, bread and honey. And one thing that's much more important than these. Tonight we've got pizza, so don't forget cheese." So off trotted Simon with Rodney Raccoon. Suddenly, Simon said, "Look! It's the moon. Everybody knows that it's made out of cheese. If we jump, we can take as much as we please." They ran to the lake in a mad gleeful dash, leapt from a tree trunk and landed, kersplash! "You pair of daft noodles, the moon's in the sky," laughed Bethany Bear, who stood watching nearby. "No problem," said Simon, "we'll fly to the moon in old Uncle Somerset's special balloon." "You're all very welcome to go for a ride," said old Uncle Somerset. "Clamber inside, grab a nice cushion, there's plenty to try." And then he untied the rope and they rose in the sky. They shot into space with spectacular force until a great comet, whoosh, blew them off course. "You've gone the wrong way," said a cow with a frown. She had just jumped the moon and was on her way down. "Oh well," said Simon as they sped through the stars. "It looks like we'll have to go shopping on Mars." They landed on Mars and brought honey and bread from a little green man with 3 eyes in each head. Bethany called to her friends, "Look at me! There's a wonderful view from this funny old tree. But why is it covered in hairy pink moss?" "Because I'm a monster and boy am I cross." They fled from the monster and headed for Saturn, where Simon tried pants with a star-spangled pattern. "Look at that weirdo," the alien said. On Saturn, they all wear pants on their head. At the store on Uranus, all shrouded in mist, Simon said, "Toilet rolls next on Mum's list." "Of course," grinned the thing with the tentacled face. "For Lou Roll, this planet is just the right place." "Right," declared Simon, "before we go back, why don't we stop for a drink and a snap?" They called in at Pluto for cosmic rock cakes, which they ate at the Milky Way parlour with shakes. On Neptune, they hoped to get space fish and fries. Instead, they all caught a scary surprise. "Time to head home, give it maximum power," said Simon. Then, yikes, it's a meteor shower. Down poured the meteors. When would they stop? Then, uh-oh, they all heard a sound. It was pop. "Don't panic," said Rodney. "It's under control." And he climbed up and plonked his rear end on the hole. They drifted back down to Earth with a bump. That made Uncle Somerset wake with a jump. "Oh, don't mind the puncture," he said. "I can patch it, but you'd better roam home to your mum or you'll catch it." Imagine the look of surprise on Mum's face when Simon declared, "I've been shopping in space." "You can tell it's all about it at dinner time, please," said his mum. "I've made pizzas. I just need the cheese." Simon searched in the bag for the things on Mum's list. "Whoops," blushed Squirrel. "There's one thing I missed." Cheese. And there we go. So I hope you enjoyed this virtual story time of the Great Hullaballoo, and hopefully we will see you all again for another one.